Here I have ARCHOS 101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the more here at the wireless and networks section, tethering and portable hotspot, and here you have portable Wi-Fi hotspot. You can turn it on or off here. For it to work, you will need your internet connection with your SIM card for it to work. If you don't have any SIM card with the mobile internet, portable hotspot won't even start. Here you can change your network's name. Here you can select if you want to have password or not. Here you can change your password, and you can also change your AP band, or you can't. There is also a Bluetooth tethering feature, and you can change your IP here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.